I'm rolling out a recipe for Myles. I am not using parsley, but I want to thank the folks at Blue Ribbon for making it possible. This is about meat mouths rule. I am using Blue Ribbon's bacon, and Blue Ribbon bacon is like the bomb. So I just want, Myles, just a couple slices.
Yeah.
Because you know what I'm going to do, Myles? I'm going to do a bacon roll.
You lie.
So in honor of sushi, I am going to try. I couldn't make sushi for you.
Right.
Because I'm not so skilled.
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Right.
But I'm going to try to, in honor of your 10 years,
Right.
do something a little
You've been inspired.
I have been inspired.
Yeah.
I have been inspired. So I really just want to use this bacon. I'm just cutting in half. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to roll this bacon. Just before I deal with the bacon though, Myles, I want to make a little nice spice rub. I know you love your spices. You love spices. You see the similar spices that Tyrone used? I also got inspired by Tyrone using somebody similar. I have some brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, baby. I have some chili powder.
Right. We love some chili.
And I really kind of love to experiment with spices.
Right, yeah.
Different combinations of spices. I have some smoked paprika, Myles.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of, since I've done smoked paprika, I can't go back to regular paprika.
Okay.
But if you have regular paprika, you can use regular
paprika.
But yeah, but smoked paprika. And then I have some cayenne for that little kick. So you don't have a kick in your drink, you'll have a kick. You'll have a kick in your dish as well.
I've been kicked all over.
You've been kicked all over. A little salt, Myles.
Yeah.
A little pepper. I just want to mix that.
Right, yeah.
Get that together.
When
have I ever cooked for you, Myles?
No,
I don't think so.
Never.
I don't think so. When you've come on the show before, you would have come and did your thing.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever cooked for you. I'm actually a bit nervous.
Right, yeah. Since 2015, I have been cooking for you. Yeah.
It's so long you cooking for me.
Yeah, it's so sad.
I know you like to smell. I know you.
Yes. Get in it.
Woo. Woohoo. All right, so I have some chicken breast.
Right.
That I really just seasoned up with basic salt and pepper.
Cutlet.
But this little magic dust that I have here, I just want to give a nice little, just a little dust it.
Right.
Coat it nicely. Oh, looking there, Myles?
You're looking good, boy.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Looking good. So ready is an added layer of flavor. Added layer of flavor. And now I am doing, guys, for Myles, as she inspired me as a sushi chef in Trinidad and Tobago, I am doing bacon chicken rolls. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I did not expect that.
Oh my God, I didn't expect that either.
Yeah.
So Myles, real simple.
Right.
I'm bacon just adds so much flavor. I have the chicken.
Yeah.
There. I'm adding a little nice color.
Right.
So I just have a little sweet pepper, green and red. I like color.
Yeah.
Right?
You like Christmas colors.
I like Christmas colors.
Yeah.
And I am rolling.
I should hire you, huh?
Rolling. I can roll sushi rolls,
There
Myles.
you go.
And I roll. And I kind of just
lock it in.
Lock it in there.
Yeah.
So Myles, all I do now is get it on a nice greased dish. And I do one more little thing. I want this little sprinkle just over the bacon.
Sprinkle on top.
Sprinkle on top, Myles.
Yes.
This will give you a kind of nice sweet savory. I don't know about you, but I love the sweet savory kind of vibes. You know, I really do love sweet and savory flavors together. So just a little sprinkle on top. And this goes in the oven and bakes for just about 20-25 minutes.
All right.
No longer than that. And Myles, I have some done here for you. And this is where I get a little nervous now because I have to now plate up for you.
Are you gonna eat with me?
It's not the perfect sushi roll.
No, it looks perfect.
But look at that, Myles. Bacon chicken rolls, meat mouth roll. This is all brought to you by the folks at Blue Ribbon, guys. And Myles and I will toast to 10 years of Myles sushi with bacon rolls.
Yeah.
With bacon rolls. We're coming right back, guys. We share a cup with Myles. We hear her story. If you have never heard Myles Marbella's story, you hear it right here next on Cup of Joe. Meat Mouths Rule. Courtesy Blue Ribbon. The taste you love, the name you trust.